How to add PayPal to PS5. So starting off on the PlayStation 5 home screen here, you're going to want to press up on the D-pad or the left stick to get to the top games and media part. Then you want to scroll along until you see settings, click X on settings, then you get here where you can click on users and accounts after you scroll down. Then in the account section you want to scroll down until you see payment and subscriptions. Then you want to go ahead and go to payment methods. Here you can see PayPal account. Once you click X on that, you can go ahead and click on the email and password. And then once you input the email and password for PayPal, log into that, then you'll be able to add funds to your PlayStation 5. As well, in the PlayStation Store, you can go along to the top right hand corner where it says more, click on payment methods, and then again you can put in your PayPal account. Do the same thing, then PayPal will be added to your PlayStation 5. Leave a like on the video for help, to subscribe for more helpful videos.